Hey, welcome back, entrepreneurs. It's Frank with the Builderall team. Super exciting stuff happening in 2022, and we're just 13 days in and already have plenty to celebrate. Our first Builderall Funnel Club promotion of the year was a huge success. Our latest Builderall magazine and funnel is now available, and we have new training inside our Builderall knowledge base. Want to hear a quick tip from one of our fascinating leaders inside Builderall? Chris Chesar shares how he manages his leads. And finally, I'll share a quick tip when designing with Cheetah using hidden and unhidden panels, all in today's Builderall's weekly update, coming right up. So as you may know, our New Year's Builderall Funnel Club promotion had such a great response that the offer was extended another 2 days, expiring yesterday, Wednesday, January 12th at 11:59. So you as an affiliate were able to continue promoting our savings of $119 and continue to grow your teams. I hope you did. And for those who did not, it's okay, because by and large, our normal everyday price is still at a great price and value for what you get. And so if you want to learn more, please make sure you take a look at our plans at builderall.com/plans. And don't let another year pass on by before you know it. Speaking of New Year, have you checked out the 2022 Builderall magazine? Grab hold of your copy by visiting magazine.builderall.com to read all of the exciting stuff Jackie DeClerc has put together. On top of that, you can now access the magazine funnel available to you inside your back office, so go grab it now. Now, onto the knowledge base. To access the latest training that has been added into the knowledge base, you can simply navigate to the very top of the screen, select More, and then New Training from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see that we added two very helpful important tools. First, we have our Builderall Commissions Calculator. Once inside, you'll be able to click on the plan of your choice, click on the link to pull up the calculator, and start planning. Next, we have Understanding Affiliate Disclaimers. This is a for sure read that every Builderall affiliate and even members should review. I cannot stress enough the importance of why and when it's important to identify yourself as an affiliate, and the dire consequences one may face if they don't. So as it pertains to Builderall, no affiliates can promote Builderall by making earnings or income claims. It's acceptable to explain that Builderall has an affiliate program, but the affiliate is prohibited from stating or implying that another user or affiliate will earn a certain amount of money by using or promoting our platform. So check out the article, bookmark it, and also double check and stay up to date with the Federal Trade Commission's guidelines and requirements. Now, on to our leaders. It's always great to hear from our Builderall leaders, who too are building their business with Builderall. And this week, our Director of Operations, Shelly the Builderall Diva Turner, invited Chris Chesar to share how he looks at his leads list and the actions he takes from his very own Builderall back office. Check this out.
But no, I think one of the things, or the common things that Builderall affiliates overlook and I think undervalue is going into their leads, and all we're looking at is who's active, who paid, but we forget about the people who did not pay. Now, there is no or are no free accounts in Builderall, but when you go into your leads where Shelly showed you, yeah, okay. So you guys can see the picture, right? So inside you go into your Builderall affiliate back office. You want to click on leads. Now, I don't want to show everybody's email addresses. That's why I cut it off here, guys. So you'll see if you run down the list, you'll see if it has a status of free, active, and it pretty much tells you which plan that they have. Like here's a Cheetah Builder. That's the $14.90 plan. Now this one I would email to send them an email to get them to upgrade during the special right now. So, but all these frees, this cost me money to get these, and if it didn't cost me money, it cost me time. So there's a lot of value here. So the majority of these showed an interest. Who knows, maybe they were just tooling around and just checking things out, but I would say these are still pretty warm leads in my opinion. So you can go into your Rain Loop if you have your custom email set up and send them each an individual email. It's a little bit more personal that you can do. Get them to upgrade. And I have an email put together for you that I've been using. And Cindy Branson gave us hers, which she converted. She did this to about 5 frees. And in 10 minutes, she had an upgrade. So, I mean, who would have thunk it, you know? But you got to take action, and that's the whole thing here. You just look for the free. You'll have their email address on the left-hand side. Personalize it with their first name. And if you don't have your custom email set up yet, send it through Gmail or Outlook. That's okay too.
Wow, great stuff, Chris. Chris also goes on to share a few email examples that have proven to work and more. Thank you so much, Chris, for all the great info. To learn more and watch the entire broadcast, please check out our Monday affiliate meeting replay from inside our Builderall affiliate group. Now, on to a quick tip on how to use the hide and unhide panel feature inside Cheetah and how it could benefit your customer's experience from both desktop and mobile. Let's check it out. Okay, so in this segment, I want to highlight a really cool feature inside Cheetah, which allows you to display a hidden panel at a specific time interval or by a specific action. Once an action is triggered, then the panel will then display, which is what we're going to be working with here. But I'll show you both of the options on how to get to it in just a few seconds here. But first, what I want to do is I want to scroll down on this desktop view. And I want to set up the scenario here. And the scenario is this is a boot camp website. And here I have upper body strength training and the upper body strength training videos below it. Okay. And if I continue on, I have lower body strength training and the 6 videos for that. Now imagine if I had 3 more categories with 6 more videos in each category. What this would look like on my webpage. Well, it wouldn't look as bad or nearly as tough or challenging as it would on mobile. So for this example, what I want to do is I want to exit out the actual published view and I want to head over to the mobile view just so that you get a glimpse of kind of the headache or obstacle that I'm facing here. So here I am from my mobile edit view inside Cheetah, right? And as you can see, I have again my category right here and my 6 videos below that specific category. Next, I have the next category, which is lower body strength training. And again, I have 6 more videos. Now imagine, again, if I added 3 more categories with 6 more videos each, boy, I'd be scrolling down for a long time and it just wouldn't be quite user friendly. So if I wanted to get to the next category, well, I can set it up by using anchors or what have you, but I want to simplify this process just from a presentation point of view. So what I want to do is I want to go back over to the desktop. I'm going to show you how you can use the hide and unhide panel feature. So what we want to do here is we want to go right down here to this area and display this specific panel once this button is selected. So what you want to do is you want to right click on the panel. You want to go right down here to hide panel, click on the drop down and select enabled. Now here is where you can actually display this specific panel by the time interval that you set or by an action. So for the sake of this video, we're going to select action and I'm going to select show upper body vid and I'm going to select save. And I'm going to do the exact same thing for right down here. If I right click, I'm going to go right here to hide panel. We're going to enable it. From the drop down, we're going to select action. Name it, then select save. Now what we want to do is we want to go up to these buttons here and we're going to set the action. So if I right click here on this button and then select the link icon, what I could do is go right down here to show hidden panel. And from the drop down menu, I can go right here and select the action that I created. And I can go ahead and select. Now I can go right down here and do the exact same thing here. Click on the link icon. Go to show hidden panel. From here, I'm going to select lower vids. And there we go. Now what we could do is just go right up here to select save. All right, Now that my website has been published, what I could do from the desktop view is I can scroll down, and now I'm going to see Get Fit Virtual Training Upper Body Strength Training, watch videos, or lower body strength training, watch videos. So if I click on those buttons, you're going to see that panel show up. Same thing if I click on this button here. So now what I want to do is I want to just show you what this looks like in mobile. Let's switch on over. All right, so here I am inside my mobile view of my iPhone. Now, if I scroll down, you're going to see those two exact same options, right? You can have upper body, watch videos, and lower body, watch videos. Now, if I click on that button, again, the hidden panel is now going to be revealed with the videos that have my upper body videos. And then same thing, if I click on the button again, it's going to close out that panel. And there you go. That's how you can better manage a website that has multiple elements to give off a better experience inside mobile by using the hidden and unhidden features inside Cheetah. Want to learn more? Join the rest of our Mag 5 for more live training every Monday through Thursday inside their Facebook training groups. Here are some topics that will be covered next week. Also, don't forget to tune in to their live Q&A sessions every Friday, where they invite you to join them on the panel to get your questions answered. So be sure to attend. So there you have it, everyone. I hope you found the content of your Builderall Weekly Update helpful. If you can please share a cool comment, like this video, subscribe, and also press the bell icon so that you too can stay up to date with all of the greatest and latest things happening in and around Builderall. That's my time, everyone. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.